Understanding a research flowchart is crucial for researchers, as it visually represents the logical sequence of steps in a research process. The research process usually begins with identifying a specific problem or question that the researcher wants to address. Before conducting new research, it's important to review existing literature to understand what is already known about the topic. This step helps researchers avoid duplicating efforts and builds a foundation for the study. Based on the literature review, the researcher formulates a hypothesis, if conducting experimental research, or a research question. This serves as the starting point for the investigation. This step involves planning the research methodology. Researchers decide on the type of study, the sampling method, and data collection techniques. Researchers need to address ethical considerations, ensuring that the study respects the rights and well-being of participants. Depending on the nature of the study, researchers may need to seek approvals from ethics committees, institutional review boards, or other relevant authorities. This step involves gathering data according to the research design. Data can be collected through experiments, surveys, interviews, observations, or other methods.